We're looking at a Xeon D system here on the left. This is an 8-core system that uses only about 39 watts, 40 watts or so at idle here. And if we have a look at the network adapters, they're all disabled to avoid any kind of slowdown from Windows Update and other junk, which is less likely to start, but it still might start anyway, at reboot. So we're on an Intel Optane. This is the P4800X, and we have only a C drive, so one drive. And I know I'm going to be asked, hey, how's the reboot time on Optane? Well, the BIOS is separate, and reboot is not the most wonderful measure, but there's some interesting stuff going on. So we're at about 40 watts here. Let me kick off the reboot. Oh, I want to convince you that there's not much installed in this machine. It's a base install of Windows plus the NVMe driver from Intel. Okay, so now you know. So that's what we got here. So I'm going to restart now. And the power on self-test part, the BIOS coming up, that doesn't really count, right? That's just vendor dependent. So this happens to be a Supermicro BIOS 1.2a on a Xeon D-1541 8-core system. Now that we're almost done with the power on self-test, which is about a minute for this machine, we'll see Windows start. So let me slide an informal stopwatch down here. Let's use this as our stopwatch. Not perfect, but at 52, 53, 54, 55. We're going to see the Windows flag start up at 57. So now I'm guessing within about 10 seconds. Okay, it took about 8 seconds to get our desktop painted, and then Server Manager showed up and we were done booting. Is our CPU busy in this system? No. So the thing's at idle, it's ready to do work. This is an engineering sample. It's clearly showing that on there. Engineering sample, no warranty. So I don't know this speed I just showed you is representative of what the final product will look like when it starts shipping, hopefully soon. But it is something you can consider a sneak preview of Optane performance for practical tasks like rebooting, which has a whole lot of process going on, and again, not really a benchmark. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching, and thanks for visiting tinkertry.com.